Hey there, startups and investors. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a domain that could be a game changer for your next big idea. Homejobs.us. So what makes homejobs.us special? First off, the .us CCTLD stands for the United States, instantly making it recognizable and relevant for the American market. Whether you're targeting remote work, freelancing, or home-based businesses, this domain nails it. Think about it. Homejobs.us is versatile, memorable, and super brandable. Imagine launching a platform for remote job listings, a freelance marketplace, or even a home-based business consulting service. The possibilities are endless. For startups, having a domain like homejobs.us gives you an innovative edge. It's not just a web address, it's a statement. It tells your audience that you're modern, credible, and deeply relevant in today's market. Investors, listen up. A domain like this offers strong branding opportunities and broad applications. From scalable tech solutions to niche industry platforms, homejobs.us aligns perfectly with current market trends. Now, let's talk business models. Here are 5 ideas. 1. A remote job board connecting employers with talent across the U.S. 2. A freelance services marketplace for various gigs and projects. 3. An e-learning platform for home-based skill development. 4. A consultancy service for aspiring home business entrepreneurs. 5. A subscription box service delivering home office essentials. Each of these models targets a specific audience and leverages the domain's strengths. And industry-specific abbreviations? How about home jobs standing for helping opportunities meet employment or home office management experts? These add layers of meaning and relevance. To wrap it up, homejobs.us is memorable, versatile, industry relevant, and brandable. It's the perfect domain to launch your next startup or attract savvy investors. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity. To find more brandable and niche domains, visit domainer.gdn. Catch you in the next video.